Did you know that the United States of America has the largest economy in the world with over $26 billion in GDP? Yet America is only the fourth largest country in land area. How does the United States have the world's largest economy when it's only slightly more than half of Russia in size? We can actually trace this to America's perfect geography. In this video, we'll talk about why America has a perfect geography and how it makes the nation a powerhouse. Let's jump right in. The United States is one of the most breathtaking countries in the world because of its diverse landscapes. From the majestic Rocky Mountains to the Appalachian Trail and unique ecosystems like the Florida Everglades and redwood forests, this country truly has it all. America's diverse landscapes are also one of the country's greatest weapons against invasion. Successfully invading the United States from any direction will take enemy forces through many kinds of terrain: forests, lakes, swamps, and mountains. Alaska has over 130 active volcanoes, more than any other country in the world. This contributes to America's unique and rugged landscape. The country also has strategic island territories like Guam and Hawaii, which are essential for military operations. Invading the US will be a complete nightmare for any troops. The second reason America has a perfect geography is its strategic location. The nation lies between the Atlantic on the east and the Pacific Oceans on the west, which offers more protection and many resources. It's also home to the world's largest group of freshwater lakes, the Great Lakes, and the fourth longest river system, the Mississippi-Missouri River. The Great Lakes hold about 84% of North America's surface freshwater, making the United States a global trade giant. The five massive lakes called Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario cover 244,106 square kilometers in area and connect to the Atlantic Ocean via the St. Lawrence River. The Mississippi-Missouri River, flowing over 3,700 miles, is an essential waterway for exploration, food, trade, transportation, and agriculture. It combines two rivers, the Mississippi and Missouri Rivers. The Mississippi passes through 10 states, while the Missouri River, also called the Big Muddy, travels more than 2,300 miles before it joins the Mississippi in Mississippi-St. Louis. Together they flow south to the Mississippi River Delta in the Gulf of Mexico. The Mississippi alone provides drinking water for millions and supports a $12.6 billion shipping industry with 35,300 related jobs. America has 95,471 miles of shoreline, including the Great Lakes, and outlying U.S. territories and possessions. Key ports and waterways such as the Panama Canal have significantly shaped the nation's economic destiny. The coast contributed $346 billion to the gross domestic product in 2018. It created 3.4 million jobs, with $140 billion in wages for workers. Let's not forget America's diverse climate zones. Because of its size and geographic diversity, the United States experiences a vast range of climates. You can find ice-cold conditions in Alaska, desert landscapes in Arizona, and tropical climates in Hawaii. America is home to the sunniest place on Earth, the little city of Yuma in southwest Arizona. Yuma gets more than 4,000 sunlight hours annually and has an average of 11 sunny hours daily. On the cold side of the spectrum is Fairbanks, Alaska. It's the coldest city in America, with a minimum average temperature of about minus 17 degrees Fahrenheit. That's as cold as the inside of a typical household freezer. The air is so chilly at this temperature that it can numb your skin almost instantly, and any exposed water can freeze quickly. Regardless, there's a suitable climate for everyone, making the United States a tourist dream paradise. What's more, the United States is home to Yellowstone, the world's first national park. It's renowned for its geothermal features, including geysers like Old Faithful, and is a testament to the nation's natural beauty. The park receives over 3 million tourists annually. America's tourism industry is so massive, it's projected to reach $190.4 billion in revenue this year. The U.S. also boasts a remarkable variety of wildlife, including the bald eagle, the national bird, and symbol of the nation's strength and freedom. The Everglades in Florida is the largest tropical wilderness in the U.S. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to a diverse range of species, including alligators and the elusive Florida panther. The Mississippi River and its floodplain support more than 400 different species of wildlife, and some 40% of North America's waterfowl migrate along its flyway. Also, Some 150 species of fish are within the Missouri River Basin. The basin supports 300 species of birds and a variety of mammals, including trophy elk, whitetails, and mule deer that support a significant seasonal hunting economy. Iconic species like the bald eagle and unique ecosystems like the redwood forests add to America's natural charm, making it the perfect tourist destination for wildlife enthusiasts. Finally, the United States is blessed with abundant resources like oil, coal, and stretches of fertile farmlands. It again has the world's largest reserves of coal. This great source of energy powered U.S. growth during the Industrial Revolution. It fueled steamships and steam-powered railroads. The U.S. has abundant coal, copper, lead, iron, natural gas, timber, bauxite, and uranium supplies. In fact, it's second on the list of countries with the most natural resources in the world. America is behind Russia on this list with an estimated value of $45 trillion, almost 90% of which is timber and coal. There isn't a list on which America isn't in the top 10. Its fertile plains, like the Midwest's Corn Belt, feed not only the nation but also the world, contributing significantly to global food security. Due to its diverse climates and landscapes, the U.S. can grow various crops. For instance, California's Central Valley is ideal for growing fruits and vegetables, while the Midwest is known for corn and soybeans. Agriculture, food, and related industries contributed roughly $1.264 trillion to U.S. gross domestic product, GDP, in 2021. The total land area used for agriculture in the U.S. is 893.4 million acres as of 2022, making it the second largest farming nation in the world. The nation consistently ranks as the world's largest corn, soybean, and wheat producer. These grains are staples in many global diets. No wonder the U.S. is often called the breadbasket of the world. Apart from corn, soybeans, and wheat, it leads in the production of other crops, such as almonds, oranges, grapes, and strawberries. The U.S. produces an astonishing variety of crops, from cranberries in Massachusetts to potatoes in Idaho, showcasing the country's agricultural diversity. The U.S. has a booming organic farming industry. It leads the world in the number of certified organic farmers, and the organic market continues multiplying. On top of that, the U.S. is a major producer of beef. It has the largest cattle inventory in the world, with Texas being the leading cattle-producing state with 4,475,000 cows. That's a lot more than the population of Wyoming, the smallest state in the U.S. with 576,851 people. In 2020, agricultural exports were valued at $196 billion in 2022, with top exports including soybeans, corn, and beef. With this number, the U.S., of course, takes the #1 spot among the world's leading global exporters of agricultural products. Now that you know these perfect geographical features and burning facts, do you see how the U.S. achieved its place as the #1 economy in the world? I can't count how many times I've said billion in this video. Yet that's not enough to describe how massive the U.S. economy is and how its perfect geography contributes significantly to that. If you found this video engaging, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating content. And if you have any topics you'd like us to explore, drop them in the comments below, and we'll make a video specially for you. See you in our next video.